Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to edit a social work application in TK20. This tutorial will also cover how to reset your admissions application account password in TK20. We recommend that you use either Google Chrome or Safari when working in TK20. If an application has a lock icon to the left of the name, the application has already been submitted. If you need to edit your application or re-upload a file, you will need to recall your application. To recall your application, click on the blue name of the application you wish to recall. Click the Recall button on the top right of the page. If you are unable to recall your application, this means it is in the review process. In this case, please contact your field director for assistance. Once you have recalled your application, you can re-upload a file by clicking the X on the far right of the title of the file you previously uploaded. This will remove the old file from the application. Then, upload the new file. If you forget your TK20 admissions account password, you can reset it by clicking on the Admissions tab on the login page. Then, click on the Please click here to reset your password link in red. Enter the email address you used to create your account, then press the green Submit button. Then, answer your security question that you set up when creating your account. Then, click the green Submit button. You will receive an email from tk20@wcupa.edu confirming that your password has been reset and instructions on how to log in. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any additional questions about TK20, please contact us at tk20@wcupa.edu or call us at 610-436-2085. If you have any questions regarding the application, please contact your field director.